Yeah, I think it's running now.
I see myself.
You see, it's and it's
There I am.
making that
The little red. Yeah, that's a good sign.
blinking red light. That means that it's running.
So hello.
Hello.
I'm Andre Desjarlais. I'm with the Oak Ridge National Laboratory, and we are involved in building science, particularly looking at the opaque part of the building envelope. Projects that we're working on now is primarily associated with the decarbonization of buildings, both in terms of improving their energy efficiency and reducing operational carbon, and also looking for new materials that have less of a carbon impact in their manufacture. So all aimed at trying to get buildings to be have less of an impact on global climate change.
And what specific research is on the kitchen table right now?
Well, we're trying to develop new materials, insulation products, sheathing products, sheet goods like vapor barriers and water-resistant barriers that use a lot less energy in their manufacturing process, so that their embodied carbon footprint is significantly smaller. And that, coupled with looking at developing new systems to make buildings, specifically buildings that are being retrofit to be more energy efficient, are topics that we're involved in research.
So yesterday we joked about the dead cat being essentially the color of your beard. How long you've been doing it?
Well, the joke is I've been doing it since the last century, but I actually started in building science in 1976, 1977. Worked for my thesis advisor for about 15 years, and then he retired and then moved to Oak Ridge National Laboratory at that point in time. So 45 years.
So would it be fair to say that you forgot more than most people learned in this industry?
Well, certainly I've forgotten more than I remember. I don't know about the latter, but I think one of the advantages of being old is I was around when the energy crisis first hit, and remember kind of the roots of energy efficiency and looking at trying to get buildings to be energy efficient. I remember all the horror stories, all the failures, all the mistakes, and a lot of those documentation doesn't exist on the internet because they were published so long ago. So I still have some value. I guess
a librarian.
Kind of like corporate memory. Yeah, corporate memory. Yeah. But I'm soon to be replaced by YouTube, so I have a...
No, I don't think it's going to be that soon.
Probably not, but yeah. So yeah,
I scared your interlocutor.
Oh, that's okay. Just having been able to kind of watch the industry evolve is very, very interesting. Someday I'll write it in my memoirs if I ever get around to that.
Thank you.
My pleasure.
Thank you so much.
My pleasure.